German verbs and introduction. Welcome to your guide to common German verbs. We will explore one verb at a time. Focusing on clarity and easy understanding for German beginners, each card will feature a key verb, its conjugations, grammar notes, and example sentences to help you master essential German. Let's begin our journey into the heart of the German language. Sein, to be. The verb sein is fundamental in German, just like to be in English. It's used for identity, states, and locations. Verb type irregular, present tense conjugation ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er, sie, es ist, he, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are. Sie sind, they, you formal are. Simple past, ich war, I was. Past participle, gewesen, auxiliary sein. Grammar notes. One of the most important irregular verbs used to form the perfect tenses with verbs of motion or change of state. Example sentence. Ich bin müde. I am tired. Haben, to have. Haben is another core German verb, essential for expressing possession and forming the perfect tenses of many verbs. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation. Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have. Er, sie, es hat. He, she, it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you all have. Sie haben. They, you formal have. Simple past, ich hatte, I had. Past participle, gehabt. Auxiliary, haben. Grammar notes. Most common auxiliary verb for following the perfect tenses. Governs the accusative case. Example sentence. Ich habe ein Buch. I have a book. Werden, to become. Werden is a versatile verb used to express becoming future tense and the passive voice. It's a key verb for constructing more complex sentences. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation. Ich werde, I become. Du wirst, you become. Er, sie, es wird. He, she, it becomes. Wir werden, we become. Ihr werdet, you all become. Sie werden, they, you formal become. Simple past. Ich wurde, I became. Past participle geworden. Auxiliary sein. Grammar notes. Used to form the future tense and the passive voice. Its participle is geworden when used as a main verb, but worden when used as an auxiliary for the passive voice. Example sentence. Ich werde Lehrer. I will become a teacher. Machen, to do, to make. Machen is a common verb used for a wide range of actions meaning to do or to make. Verb type regular. Present tense conjugation. Ich mache, I do, make. Du machst, you do, make. Er, sie, es macht, he, she, it does, makes. Wir machen, we do, make. Ihr macht, you all do, make. Sie machen, they, you formal do, make. Simple past. Ich machte, I did, made. Past participle, gemacht. Auxiliary haben. Grammar notes. One of the most versatile verbs for expressing actions, often used in many idiomatic expressions. Example sentence. Was machst du heute? What are you doing today? Sagen, to say, to tell. Sagen is used when you want to express communication, whether you are saying something or telling a story. Verb type regular. Present tense conjugation. Ich sage, I say. Du sagst, you say. Er, sie, es sagt. He, she, it says. Wir sagen, we say. Ihr sagt, you all say. Sie sagen. They, you formal they. Simple past. Ich sagte, I said. Past participle gesagt. Grammar notes. Often followed by a direct object in the accusative case. Can introduce a subordinate clause with thus, that. Example sentence. Sie sagt, hallo. She says, hello. Geben, to give. Geben signifies the act of giving or handling over something, and it's commonly used with both a direct or indirect object. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation. Ich gebe, I give. Du gibst, you give. Er, sie, es gibt. He, she, it gives. Wir geben, we give. Ihr gebt, you all give. Sie geben, they, you formal give. Simple past. Ich gab, I gave. Past participle, gegeben. Grammar notes. requires a dative object, the receiver, and an accusative object, the thing given. Also used in the impersonal expression es gibt, there is, are. Example sentence: Ich gebe dir ein Geschenk. I give you a gift. Sehen, to see. The verb sehen is used to describe the act of seeing or perceiving something visually. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation. Ich sehe, I see. Du siehst, you see. Er, sie, es sieht. He, she, it sees. Wir sehen, we see. Ihr seht, you all see. Sie sehen, they, you formally see. Simple past, ich sah. Past participle gesehen. Grammar notes. Governs the accusative case for the object being seen. Can be combined with prepositions like auf, at, or nach, for specific nuances. Example sentence: Ich sehe den Film. I see the movie. Kommen, to come. Kommen is a motion verb indicating movement towards a speaker or a specific place. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation: Ich komme, I come. Du kommst, you come. Er, sie, es kommt, he, she, it comes. Wir kommen, we come. Ihr kommt, you all come. Sie kommen, they, you formal come. Simple past: Ich kam, I came. Past participle: gekommen. Grammar notes. Uses sein as its auxiliary verb in perfect tenses as it indicates a change of location, often used with prepositions like aus, from, or zu, to. Example sentence: Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I come from Germany. Gehen, to go. Similar to kommen, gehen is another essential motion verb meaning to go or to walk. Verb type irregular. Present tense conjugation: Ich gehe, I go. Du gehst, you go. Er, sie, es geht, he, she, it goes. Wir gehen, we go. Ihr geht, you all go. Sie gehen, they, you formal go. Simple past: Ich ging, I went. Past participle: gegangen. Uses sein as its auxiliary verb in perfect tenses because it expresses a change of location. Can be combined with various prepositions to specify direction or destination. Example sentence: Ich gehe nach Hause. I am going home.